installing the rear speakers in my EG hatch. Got two 6.5s. There's the brackets. These are the grills. I just finished wiring them in parallel. Here's the other bezel trim or insert. It goes in there. So I'm gonna install those in there and then put the interior back and then clean out my car, hopefully. Alright. There's one in there in the bracket. Gonna put the other one in. Put it all back together. Alright. Got the rear interior plastic back on. Just gonna put in the grill insert in the grill, and that'll be done. Alright, now the grill insert is in. Now it's just time to put the grill on. And the grill just kind of goes in there. There we go. And there it is. And then there's the other side. And this part of the project is done. Now I have speakers in the back.